make sure they give you your little clicker thing. I don't know where Preston is. I don't know if they have their camera or not, Preston. We want to make sure we have somebody in the other arena so that we don't have cows running back and forth while they're sorting. And that's Debbie and Marilee in arena 2.
Get your remote control for the camera.
I'm not wearing it again.
Now, why not?
Because every time I wear it, I blow out immediately. Oh, wore it twice and it's blown out. Boom! No.
On your break.
No, I can't. It's bad luck for me today. Holy shit. I wore it twice, Tom, and I blew out both times really quick.
So I gotta have it?
Yeah.
Well, I might have to have it all day if we do good.
I yelled at my dogs today, and Darren and Arthur thought it was...
You gonna start us right?
Well, let's see if Miss SortArena is about
Yes,
ready.
ma'am.
Are you ready?
Pointing at me, you ready?
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
So this is going to be Donna and Tom followed by Debbie and Marilee. I just want to make sure. Okay, perfect. Okay. You ready? Lights up.
Yeah, let's do it.
9, 9, 9.
Get up, up. He's there.
Right, to the right.
He just turned in, though.
Okay. Hey! Hey!
I don't see him. Hey, 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 get out of here. Hey, 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 hey.
Get out of here.
I got your floor. Oh, they got dirty back there. We're okay, we're okay. Up, 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 up. Okay.
Time to head at a 26:10. Okay, this is going to be Debbie and Marilee. They're going to be followed by Jason and Chuck.